Let's look at how Cloudleaf technology delivers continuous, real-time visibility. Start by attaching Cloudleaf sensors to your assets to track their exact location, plus condition, temperature, acceleration, even shock and vibration. Our patented technology delivers a 3 to 5 year battery life. Replacing batteries is a thing of the past. Each gateway provides 70,000 square foot coverage while tracking 250 plus sensors per second. As assets move, there is handoff between gateways. Zone sensors enable microlocation at critical workflow areas. When stitched together, they create travel paths to monitor dwell times and track compliance. Also acting as choke points, tracking each entry and exit. Contextualized location, condition, and flow data are sent from the sensors to our gateways and fed to the cloud for visualization and analytics. You can configure alerts, notifications, and monitoring using our rules engine. Gateways and zone sensors can be powered directly via Ethernet or by battery, avoiding the hassle of installing cables, wires, and other infrastructure. Connecting to our cloud is easy. Mobile gateways with GPS give you seamless in-transit coverage. Quick setup means you start tracking sooner and collect more data both indoors and out. Lastly, monitor the data with Cloudleaf dashboards or feed into other enterprise applications via APIs. Cloudleaf is transforming supply chains everywhere. See how we can transform yours.